is first. Barber, please just Reyes. Gonna the ring, kay manager. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Guys, listen, lapit. Guys, ngayon pa lang panalo na tayo.
Yes!
Alam nyo kung bakit? Pinagpipray lang namin nakaraan to, 2 days ago. And narinig tayo ni God. Narinig nila yung prayer natin. Okay? Ngayon pa lang panalo na tayo.
Yes!
Okay?
Thank you, Lord!
Okay, maglalaro tayo. Tiwala tayo sa mga kampi natin. Tiwala tayo kay God. Okay? Basta laruin nyo lang yung laro nyo. Ilabas nyo yung laro nyo. Okay? Naging thankful tayo dahil sa gito karaming tao. Blessing to eh. Para sa inyo to. Minsan nyo lang mararanasan to. Part 2 ng ensayo nyo, dito kayo gagaling sa harapan ng maraming tao. Paano nyo may ilalabas yung galing nyo sa harap ng maraming tao? Okay? So laro kayo normal. Walang alinlangan. Maglaro kayo ng normal. Ilabas nyo yung mga laro nyo. Okay? Okay? Pray tayo, pray tayo. Siguro, first 5 muna natin, tingin mo. Ikaw.
First 5.
Chase. Chase. Jack muna. Jack. Miko. Chase. Louie. Gusto mo mag-tres? Subukan muna natin. Yung necklace mo. Baka sumabit. Tres ka eh. Ha?
Let's go! Let's go!
Guys, listen. Mick, magte-tres ka pag nandiyan si pinasok ko si Da.
Okay, no problem.
Okay? Again, Chase, Louie, Miko, Uncle Joey, Jack. Jack, ito lang muna tayo ha. So, depensa muna tayo. Ito ang depensa natin.
Chase! Ano ka? 4-5. 4.
Guys, ito ang depensa natin. Okay? Tapat. Hindi tayo tao-tao. Okay? Pag pinasa dito, sa'yo yan. Okay? Pag binalik dito, sa'yo yan. Lulubog ka, aangat ka. Pag binalik sa gitna, aangat mo. Pag binalik sa'yo yan. Pag may nagbigay ng screen, help. May sasalubong na isa. Pag binigyan ng screen to, salubong ka. Okay? Pag ito pinasaan dito, angat ka, bilisan mo. Ito tayo 5. Mabilis na movement, yung 5. Okay? Kung kailangan ito, na screenan, na open to, napunta ka dito, wala ka ibang gagawin kundi sa'yo yan. Guys, mas okay makatira sila outside, wag lang painted. Okay? Pamaya, babaguhin ko to, depende sa mga bigs nila. Kung effective yung ilalim nila, man to man tayo. Pag hindi effective yung tao nila, mahina yung ilalim nila, ano tayo? Tao tayo. Pero pag malakas ilalim nila, ito tayo. Di ba mga tira outside? Okay? Okay? Pray tayo.
Ama, maraming salamat po sa mga ganito namin pagkakataon. Muli po, Ama, nagbabalik po kami dito sa namin kumanong, Ama. Gabayan niyo po ang bawat isa po sa amin po paglalaro, wala po sana masaktan. Pagkalooban niyo rin po sana ng kalakasan ng bawat isa po sa amin. Ilayo po sa anumang uri ng kapahamakan, Ama. Ama, para sa iyo po itong laro na ito, gabayan niyo pa po ang mga tumutulong sa amin. Ama, kayo na pong bahala magbigay ng balik sa kanila, Ama. Ama, lubos po ang aming pagtitiwala, dinilig ko na ang aming panalangin. Ang lahat, magalang namin inihiling sa Panginoon Jesus na kailangan namin ng pagligtas. Amen.
Amen. Jesus Andre. Jesus!
Ito na yung fiber blades.
Sabi niya, nabuhay na siyang daming tao.
Bilis tayo! Hey, drive. Okay? High, low. Drive. Yung mga bigs natin, kailangan nyo mag-drive.
Okay.
Uncle Joey, paspasan pa tayo sa kick-out. Mas talasan pa na yung mga mata. Vision tayo, guys. Puso, ha? Laban.
Lap.
Likod kayo. Cheer tayo. Usod kayo dito.
Thank you.
Mags Pinaminaldo na basketball. Uncle Joey sa kaliwa. Here's Jack. Jack bigay sa kaliwa. Corner play on the way. Let's go! Mac from downtown. Right away. Opening it up. Para sa Mags Pinamino. Babawi sa kaliwa. Right now on the move. There's Nathan. Foul on Gio's on his ball. Foul on number 14. Chase is first. One on Mags Pinamino. Sa ilalim, layup, no good for Cinco. And Chase gets to be the rebound. Aatake na naman the other end. Pipito, the slow move. And Uncle Joey to be the line for Mags Pinamino. Sa kaliwa, the fake, the jumper. Hold on, sa ilalim, lazy up, no! Another second, and Pipito will be found. Foul on number 29, Lea Marta Hernandez first. Down and out of basketball. 2 free throws for Nico Pipito. And again, now, if you are up against Mags Pinamino, you don't want to give any second chance opportunity. Dahil you will really be paying off for that as Nico Pipito goes 2 for 2. 5-0 start for Mags Pinamino. Now the specialist from corner, no good for Bautista. And now Pipito siya na nagbaba ng bola dito. Sa kanan, 3, the catch and shoot! Big final again for Mags Pinamino. This time it is moving. What a start, Mags Pinamino. 8-0 pass here. Here's Cecilio sa kanan ng masa. Reverse. Oh! Loses the basketball. And first time out of the ball game brought to us by
Nice one, pare. Nice one, Nick. Good run.
Small games brought to us
Wala naman sumundot.
Hey, Adel. Chase, stay ka dito. Swinger ka na lang. Ibigay natin to. Uncle Joey to. Louie, Uncle Joe, sino to? Chase na lang to. Chase. Okay? Chase na lang to. Louie. Okay? Tingin. Tanggap 4. Tanggap. Punta ka dito sa corner. Hand off, drive pag hindi. Pag open hindi. Okay? Pag may hand off lang pala to sa 3. Pero ito, do double screen. Corner. Bigay sa corner.
Let's go.
ended. Seconds on the shot clock.
Happy.
11 seconds to come up with a play here for Alpha Basketball sa ilalim. Cinco gets the first tee of Alpha Basketball. Sakit, napakahirap bantayan ng tama na yan. Jerry Cinco, congratulations for your Stanley Powers. Now chase the jumper. Most phenomenal. Hindi pa yata sila sumasabi from the field here in the first quarter. Cinco again, chase defending him. Oh, and a pass. Katarata. Dancing in the wrong zone. So that will be a traveling violation for Leomar Katarata. So good move for Jerry Cinco, but was able to convert for Alpha Basketball. And now Tino on the attack. Jack using the pit. Jumper. Good. Short, and there's a whistle on the rebound play. Foul on number 20, Mingo Bigino, the Spurs. Second team foul on Most Phenomenal. So Alpha Basketball can come closer with this attack. Cecilio using the pick sharing sa kalawang pasa. Now Katarata goes forward. Three on the way. No. Katarata keep it alive. Katarata the Leomar Katarata. Rushing the offensive glass and pulling it back home. 10-4. Tino still with a 6-point lead. Here's Louis. Oh, 3 on the way. No. Oh, that's a pickup for Tino.
Kita.
With the offensive rebound. 10 to shoot. Sa kalawa. Here is the three. Now the lead is 9. This time jumper is short. Keeping it alive. Alpha Basketball crashing the offensive glass. And then still leading by 7 at this point of the ball game. Here's Chase. Two players defending in missing play. Now moving it down. That could have been a trigger for Louis. And we have a substitution here. A 4-man substitution at a time. These timeouts.
Nice one, Mick. Good job. Baka ma-foul trouble si Chase. Mick, gitna ka. Piso-piso. Baka ma-foul trouble ka. Ayaw ko tayo sabay doon sa malaki. Kaya ako nag-timeout. Binasok ka na yung malaki. Pasok ka. Ikaw yung high. Low ka da. Okay, sub mo muna si Jack. Okay?
Free throw ka?
Wala. Glaymar, Uncle Joey. Uncle Joey, nice one pare, good start. Hey, listen yung papasok. Yung power ng defense nila, yung energy nila ha, sa defense at saka sa offense. Same ha, energy.
On the shot clock, I'm seeing a lot of new faces here for Alpha Basketball. The only one left on the floor is Eric Cinco. On the other end, number Pino back in the ball game for the first time tonight, as well as Pagares. Now Andre, 3-pointer short, and Marcelo. Now able to save it, magbabat sa basketball. Now it's going to be Andre. Pagares sa kanya ng pasa, 3 on the way. That's going to be Jackie Billy. Jack Rogers. Gets the bump and a foul. Foul number 1, Alex Pagares. Spurs, third kick foul and Most Phenomenal. On the line for 2 free throws. Jacob Marcel. That time around, Alpha Basketball wants to run. And Marcelo, first free throw is good. Now, Alpha Basketball getting back into this ball game after trailing by as much as 9 points. Marcelo, 1 of 2. 5 minutes back pa. Here in the corner. Bagares may tangan. Bigay kay Pepito. Pepito this time sa kaliwa. Bakit natapik ang bola? It will stay on this side of the floor. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Box, box, box!
Ang nag-inbound siya na bida. Bigay kay Louie. Louie will hit 2. 3 pointers on this ball game. Here's Louie off the fake. Bigay kay Da. 2 seconds on the shot clock. He has to wasn't able to hit the ring. So good defense on the part of Alba Basketball. A chance to come closer. Right now they're winning by 6. Jeffro Mendoza kasama si Liliana, Marcelo, Chico, and Baruelo. Meron naman Bagares kasama si Louie, si Chico, si Paco, and Nico. Especially si on the follow of the bench right away by Liliana. Announcing his entry in now within 4 Alba Basketball. Here's the play. Another one. Jay is bursting of the night, but overall most phenomenal. Lighting it up this evening for most phenomenal. Marcelo gusto kumawin. Oh! Jay Williams. Bawi naman agad ang DRL for Alba Basketball. Now the pick and pop. Nico sa kaliwa pasa. Bagay na wala ang bola. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3 Bagares. No! Mendoza. Alba Basketball will regain the possession. Alba Basketball. Naghahabol dito ng 4 na puntos. Right na sa kaliwa. Marcelo na Pinoy step. Oh my, Diego Marcelo starts against the bench. Right away, he has 6 points. Oh! Louie, my goodness, that is his 13th quarter in this first quarter alone. He's checking the shots. What a shooting show match here for these two squads. Bagares to Pepito on the drive sa kanan. There's a foul. Para sa Wendy ni Marcelo Racers sa Kapita, Alba Basketball, and entering the ball replacing JC will be Lance Miranda. 5 minutes remaining in this first quarter. Bagares and his players pinagita. Top Pidiscate sa kanan. Tries to shoot. Bagares inigot sa kaliwa. Another one. One bad don't go there from Mark Milano. Here's Barrino. Binigyan niya Akna. Crossing it over. Well, I tell you, there was some good defense for Mark Milano. What may happen? He's scoring his first 2 points of the night. Here's Louie on the screen. He's 3. Hold on. Up to the left. Liliana with that fast break layup. Defense to open for Alba Basketball. Here's Bagares sa power step. Pero check na nga Ula. Here's Jay. He's good. And there's a foul. Foul taking a play. That's a mortal sin. Foul number 29. Nance Miranda is first. 3 on Alba Basketball. 3 free throws for number 23. Shooting. And now, Alba Basketball, after trailing by 9 points, they have the 1-point lead with less than 4 minutes remaining here in the first quarter. But Jake can break this deadlock. I believe there's 3 pointers or 3 free throws for Jake. So he can break the deadlock on this one more free throw. entering the ball game, replacing Nico Pepito. So, 1 point lead for Mark Pinamino. Now, Marcelo, the short stab. Oh, air ball. So, after making his first 2 attempts, Marcelo missing his last one. But again, Marcelo already with 6 points, leading Considering daw po ng mga mayroon na black na kotse with plate number 8959. Makikisuyo na po again, black na kotse. 8959 ang plate number, makikisuyo na po. Maraming salamat. Oh! Another trick for Louie, my goodness! His fourth top finger of this first quarter. Hot hand, Louie! My goodness! Losing us from the crowd. We are tied at 24. Another day. Not that time for Louie, but Pat keeping alive. Pat busting his way for the follow-up. First points of the night for Pat. There's a private turn base above. He's the corner. One goal. Agawan on the rebound. It will stay at the side of the floor. 40 seconds on the shot clock for Alpha Basketball. 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Marcelo, the pass and shoot. No. And the easy rebound by Louie. Now Bagares and his teammates. Louie pinalakita na dito. This time sa ilalim. Missing the shot is Mark. And now Marcelo. Bigay na nila. A little hesitation on Marcelo. Marcelo thinking twice that time around. Thinking he will be taking it all the way or again, nananawagan po kami sa may-ari daw po ng kulay itim na kotse. Plate number 8959, makikisuyo daw po may dadaan. Mendoza misses. Again guys, black na kotse. Plate number 8959, makikisuyo daw po. Maraming salamat. 11 seconds on the shot clock for Alpha Basketball. Silent, first attack. Pushing foul number 23, Jake, that is first for Mark Pinamino. 2 free throws for Jeffrey Mendoza. Again guys, kung may live po kayo sa Facebook, hashtag nyo lang AlphaMabs kung may mga post po kayo. Huwag nyo po kakalimutan ang ating official hashtag. We are tied at 26 apiece. Mendoza goes 2 for 2.
Lang, sa inyo yun.
Right now, Phenomenal on the attack. Bagares, the quick was over and the pass. But, oh, give it alive. No goal. So Bagares to Mac. That was some good defense for these two squads. Bagares kasama na rin sa Alan. Here's Jake. Extra pass. There's a foul. Foul number 29. That's behind the second foul for Alpha Basketball. 2 free throws for number 13 down. My goodness, these two teams going at it. This last minute there was boarding. Phenomenal defense for both squads. Breaking the deadlock is number 13 now. First pick was no good. is good. Second one, no. 27-26, 1-point ball game. Final Liliana. Liliana, kung nipilita ka yan. Here's Garanda, thought about it. On the drive, misses another try. Jumper is good. That's just a long two. That was just a long two. That's just very long two for Jake Mendoza's first field goal. 10 seconds. Bagames, 5 seconds. His three-pointer, no. Down on the shoulder, no. That's gonna be the end of our first quarter. Alpha basketball.
Nasa iyo, 3, 4, nakaangat lahat. Chase, Nico. Hingan malalim, nasa loob. Uncle Joey, first 5 tayo. Hey, ang pasok mo ulit, gusto ko ready ka na. Hindi ka ready. Dinadaga ka eh. Kalma. Alam mo yung tira mo, yung pagtanggap mo? Wala ka nakikita, blanco ka kasi pressure ka. Blanco ka. Hey. Hey, tigasan nyo ha. Tigasan nyo. Lalo na yung inbound nila sa ilalim. Matatanggapan kayo na. Ano ba yun? Ba't nakakatanggap sa ilalim? Mga big man nila, tulak nyo. Hindi matakot. 2-3 tayo, 2-3. Oo.
Buha kamay ha.
2-3 tayo, 2-3.
Chase, Nico.
This exhibition match for Alpha Basketball. And now, sa kaliwa, 3 on the way. Oh! Another one! My goodness, what a hot head! Louie! Pang-limang press na yun! My goodness! Right now, misses the jumper for Lastre. Continue again on the attack right here. Sa kaliwa, Pitito gusto sumali. This time, half step sa labas ang pasa. Louie thought about it. Back to Pitito. He's ready. Let's go! Nico Pitito, how about a big man joining the three-pointer party for Los Phenomenal. This field goal for Nico Pitito as well. Castillo from Langkaan 1. This time, aatakin. Being hounded sa Alapasa. The super shot is good. How about the shot? And Jada Ali with one-hander. 3-point lead. Another 3. At that time, we're Los Phenomenal. And now, Taal on the open. Open is the shot. With a sword in his hand for AJ. And now Uncle Joey back on the floor. Bigay sa kalawa, another 3. It's done! Most Phenomenal lighting it up. Just the 19-pointer of this first half. Oh my! We're gonna check it. It's gonna be a record. Di pa po tayo sa ating first half. Taal with a miss from downtown. To meet standby from Willow the steal. Willow now. Akin na to. Mixing up. And he will be fouled. Sorry po. Sino foul po? Foul number 3 after Joey. With his first one on Mount Phenomenal. 2 free throws for Dave Bagovelo. Bagovelo, congratulations by the way for Ian Bumpers getting the second place for our NCAA South. Bagovelo was part of it. Bagovelo splits now. 3 misses that time for Uncle Joey. The lead is 5. For Mons Phenomenal. Right now, Taal, didiskarte to Castillo. Display. No. On the rebound, play chase. Oh, he loses the basketball. Pasa. Uncle Joey takes it. Now, Uncle Joey the running start. Not on my watch. Sabi ng Baguero, that big block. Here's Louis again. At that time for Louis Pepito on the offensive rebound to Louis, the one hand no. To Uncle Joey, no good as well. And now Taal lays it in. Warning for delaying the ball game, Alba basketball.
Hey, jump, jump, jump.
36-33. Right now, Uncle Joey decided to shoot. Oh, there will be double dribble for Alba basketball. And Taal called for a violation. That could have been a sure layup for Alba basketball. They're way ahead on that fast break opportunity, but again turning it over. So again, there's still 3 points. Right now, it's gonna be Jack. Taking his dribble up sa kanan ng pasa. Back to Jack. He loses the letter. A little miscommunication that time. Jack thought he was hot on his right arm, pero there's no whistle. There's been tapos spin move. Bigay sa labas, Penerino. Sa ilalim ng pasa, but no one was there. Substitution here for Mons Phenomenal. Louis will get his first rest of the evening. Jake will replace him. Jake already with 5 points. Louis Phenomenal 15 points. All of his points coming from the Rainbow Country. Sa kaliwa, aatake Mobs. This time sa kanan. Swing play coming from Mobs Pino. Ends up turning it over. 2-man substitution. Noy Bernal entering the ball game for the first time here tonight. Chance for Alpha Basketball to come closer. 36-33 now is our score. Now, in and out is the 3. So, good start from Pino. Pepito. Sa kaliwang pasa. Back to Pepito. Wala pumang play. And Pepito making sure. Assist there coming from Uncle Joey. Post one goal there, humihingi ng cabling violation. The lead back up by 5. Here's Maher. 3 up the iron. Bigyan ng bola. Second serving. Oh, Castillo in the reverse. But he misses the layup. Right now. The ball goes out of bounds. Again, Jack humihingi. Hinawakan daw siya. That's why he wasn't able to get the basketball. But again, tuloy ang laro, so no whistle from our officials. Sa ilalim, good catch, and the one hand. Bernal overcooks the shot. But it's still 5 for Pino. Here's Jack. Aatake. Sa ilalim, what a fight to chase. One play coming from Mons Phenomenal. Jack losing the defense and making the pass on the last second. That's going to be Chase. Getting the lead to the
Wait lang, yung 5 sa loob. Fix.
Good job pare ha.
Good job tayo sa opensa.
Tama yun.
Ang nag-uulang na tayo sa depensa, yung safety lagi. Kanina ba yun? Lagi sa naka-fast break.
Naalala ako doon. Kayong dalawa yun, ha?
Fast break yung isa, plus ang ilalo natin butas.
Okay.
Good day, 1-3-1. 1-3-1 tayo. Sa depensa. Okay? 1-3-1. Ayan yung depensa natin. Okay, ready to ha.
Dati wiper.
And then sa offense, tuloy nyo lang yung ginagawa nyo. Ikaw yung mag-i-screen. Angat yung isa sa wing. Vic, umangat ka na, Vic. Ikaw na.
minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the first half. Hindi pa po, or just 1 point. Pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Alpha Basketball. 9 points naman for Mouse Phenomenal. Here's Taal, the quick move, and the what a move! MJ Taal, what a quick burst of speed coming from MJ. And he has 6 points already. Now, on the drive, Jack, finding the opening sa kanan ng pasa, and again, Mouse Phenomenal, that swing play. Hindi pa natin nakikita naging effective so far dito sa ating first half. Ends up turning the ball over once again. Here's Jerry, thought about it, Pipito defending him. Yung dalawa na yan, nagsama sa kalaban. Hindi na magkalaban sila. Here is Meher. Bigay sa ilalim, bumalik sa kanya. And now Pino gets the basketball. Chase sa ilalim ang pasa, Bernal. Gets it for the Pete. Nico and the jump. There's gonna be foul. Foul on number 16, Jeric Cinco. That is first foul, 1 on Alpha Basketball. Consolation for Alpha Basketball. Jacob Marcelo for MJ Taal. 2 free throws for number 28, G. No problem on the first, or rather that was Jack. My mistake. Jack from Davao City pa po rin ang dumayo pa ng Cavite. And showcasing his talents here. Right now, sa kaliwa. Shumper won't go there. Entering the halfway mark, or actually more than the halfway mark of our second quarter. And Shumper is pure, coming from Jake. Jake right now with 7 points. Leads back up to the largest for Pino, 44-35. Now the jumper is good. That's just a long two from Moy Bernal. Moy Bernal, his first field goal, his first 2 points as well. 7.8 for Pino, pagkakataon dagdagan. Oh! Little miscommunication and the jumper. Possession points to Alpha Basketball. So releasing Amel Bautista for Rainier Ferrer.
Jump ball, bola nila. Second sa amin. Tama kanila.
12 minutes and 30 remaining. Shout out sa mga nanonood sa atin sa bubong. Now, 3 on the way. Jump from downtown. Jump. Enter this one for the first half and hyperway burying the third quarter. Here's Jack from Uncle Joe. Sa kaliwa, Pipito. Off the fake. This time not nakalamola. Palubong. Bigay sa kaliwa. Sa lahor na way. Almost misses the shot. Credit that way to Baludong again. And check it the big block. Well, back and forth is the ball game. But Single misses the layup. That could have tied the ball game. Right now, Jack setting his teammates. Here's Jake. Bigay kay Chase. 10 to shoot. Nakapik palabas. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Right now, it's gonna be Jack. His pull-up jumper misses. Bothered by Jeric Cinco. With the long arms able to bother the shot of Jack that time. Chance to tie the ball game or take the lead with a 3 for Alpha Basketball. Right now sa kaliwa, jumper for the tie, no! On the follow, misses for Deltarata. Now Pepito, taking his dribble, sa kaliwa, to Uncle Joey. Uncle Joey right now being defended by Bautista. Sizing up, Uncle Joey wants to make some dance moves. He's 3 off the pass! Oh my! And
Alex muna tayo.
Louie.
Si Jack.
Louie, Alex. Relax ha. Huwag lang yung nagmamadali. Tingnan mo, kalmado lang. Lamang tayo. Magmamadali tayo ng baba sa depensa. Okay? Kasi mabilis silang bumaba. Guys, listen. Lapit.
Fast break nila.
Kung papansinin nyo, mamigi, ang bilis nila magsibaba. Wala tayong fast break eh. Okay? Relax. Kung meron man, takbuhan kayo baba. Kailangan may naka-ready kayo shooter outside. Malalaki ilalim nila eh. Oh, go.
Si Glaymar po muna.
Oh, po muna.
Crowd we have here in Goldenville 1 Barangay Sabang. Again, kung may mga post mo kayo sa Facebook, #AlphaMabs. At pwede kayo pumunit sa ating free public Wi-Fi. Go to us with Fiber Plus. Here's Chase, the jumper. Let's go! Making it look so simple for March Phenomenal. Chase right now with 6 points. 49-42, the lead is 7. Here's Ryan, here's Riley. No! And Chase gets the rebound. Chance again for March Phenomenal to increase their lead. Bagares back on the floor. To Uncle Joe, to Vito. Here's Pepito, off the screen. Tatlo na malaban niya. Chase again, same spot, different result. Right now, Alpha Basketball on the drive. Marcelo, back home. Alright, that was Baludong. June Baludong with 5. Kapapasok lang yan in the second quarter right away. Scoring 5 for his team. And now, they miss coming from Phenomenal. Now, Baludong again. June Baludong with a pirouette. And the other MVP. Oh, what a pass to Chase! Pepito not giving up! Blocked twice, but again getting the third service. Able to find Chase on the layup. And the other end, Cinco again with a sorry miss. I believe that's the second time it happened. Cinco with a sorry miss down low. There's now on the open court. Jumong Baludong cannot do anything anymore in that play. Top right now with 5. And the lead is 7 again. Here's the 3. No, but a foul. Again, that's a mortal scene. Chase committed his second personal. And also number 2 from Alpha. So 3 free throws here for Jumong Baludong. Jumong Baludong entered this ball game 5-minute mark of the second quarter right away with 8 points across his team. Jumong Baludong, one of the youngest players also that playing here. Wala nang isang minuto na titira dito sa ating first half. Baludong, 1 of 3. Umatin po dalayan ni Uncle Joey. Natapikan. Oh, ball goes to Alpha Basketball. So that's gonna be a turnover for March Phenomenal. Oh, bago na bola si Uncle Joey. Tira kay Baludong. Ito na big for Jumong. Here's Andre, Alex Bagares from Barangay Salamat. Right now sa kaliwa. Atake sa ilalim. Foul will be called. Foul na number 29, Leonard Catarata. Second foul. Also number 2 for Alpha Basketball. 2 free throws for number 9, Matt. Mac facing his first shot. Mac also hailed from Davao City. Again, here in Dasmariñas, Cavite to showcase his talents. Goes here, JMC got sleeping on the rebound play and not taking advantage. And the lead back up by 8. Russia time for our basketball. 10 seconds. Jerick with the basketball. 5 seconds. Here's Jerick. Sidestep and a foul. Boy, it's on Chase. That will be his third foul. No. Foul on number 9, Mac. That is first. 3 on Mouse Phenomenon. 2 free throws for Jerick City. Split from the line for Jerick City of 5 points. For Jerick City, 3.57 exact. Ball goes out of bounds, 1.73 remaining in the first half to be exact. Still a lot of foul to give for Alpha Basketball. It's gonna be dangerous na kasi catching shoot ka lang to. Sa kabit para ng bola, and that should do it for our first half. The first half, the score is 55-48
papunta sa kanila.
in favor.
Wala lang tayong option na makukuha natin. Kasi mabagal eh.
Sa pagtatakbuhan. Kaya naman kanila.
Saka tatakbuhan sila tayo.
Dalawa lang muna natin.
Dalawa lang muna. Dalawa lang muna.
Timing mo ba?
Alex, Miko. Alex, Miko. Louie.
Alex Bicolomi.
Ilang foul ka na, Chase? Pasok. Hindi, si Da muna. Ending ka. Da muna. Da, Miko. Hey, yung depensa natin ha. Lapit.
Fast break pa rin.
Yung depensa natin, 1-3-1 pa rin ha. Hey, stop lang tayo. Hey, continue natin yung depensa maganda. Okay? Sa wing naman, shooter. Ha? Miko, Da. Louie. Alex. Alex. Alex Blaimar muna. Ito, itong dalawa muna. Hindi, itong dalawa.
Ako.
Alex, Miko, Da. Ha?
Hindi yan. Glaymar.
Sino ba yun? Sa idol para Joseph to.
Kumpiyansa pa ha. Kumpiyansa pa.
Viper, kagaya kanina, ikaw yung sa likod namin ni Chase. Ay, Nina.
Hey,
Nasa kanan kita.
Guys.
Louie Glay.
Guys.
Madaling makashoot dun sa right corner. Nakagano yung ring.
Hey, listen. Ganun lang ulit. Huwag nating madaliin. Magmamadali lang tayong bumaba sa depensa. Pansin nyo, tinakbo niya ng tinakbo kayo na, sumabay kayo sa bilis nila. Pag sumabay kayo sa bilis nila, talo tayo. Yan ang lagi nyo tandaan.
Tayo naman.
Tamang tayo ha.
Lagi nyo tandaan. Huwag na huwag nyo itatakbo. Mabibilis sila eh. Aabutan at abutan kayo. Intindihan nyo? Alam nyo lang, pasa-pasa, open, tira. Everybody help the rebound. Lahat kayo magtulungan sa rebound. Kaya na, may na-advance na dalawa. Ano nangyari? Naka-offensive sila. Kasi nagkabang sa pass break
Safety
eh. Huwag nyo muna isipin yung pass break. Huwag nyo muna isipin yung pass break. Rebound muna. Tara. Hey, layo pa tayo. Kaya? Tuloy yung kumpiyansa. Tuloy yung ganda ng depensa. Tuloy yung ganda ng depensa, opensa. Okay? Jesus!
Guys, nag-iusulan mo ang mag-tsunami yung mga nag-uusong daw po sa may likod ng bench nila. Nakikisunan naman daw po. Yung mga nag-uusong daw po sa likod ng bench ng mag-tsunami naman, nakikisunan naman po. Paano po magsiga dyan? Third quarter, ladies and gentlemen, 24 minutes. 24 more minutes of basketball action. Again, magpapasalamat kay President Carmen Mendoza, Nagolong Roy, HOA President, and syempre, Barber Blaze Dasmariñas. Ganun na rin kay Manager, Tati Dela. Third quarter, ladies and gentlemen, 7.8 for Max Pipito. Oh! That's just a long two for Miko Pipito. Pipito right now with 9 points. Now, Mendoza! First player of the night, but we all know what he's capable of. Gentlemen, was up and really lining it up. Now, sa labas, Bagares. Nagkakaroon ng konting kiskisan din sa may ilalim. And all players, please proceed to the shading area in front of your respective benches. Both teams take so proper bench number.
Chase, chase, chase! Chase, chase! Stop muna. Ha? Para wala, papalamig lang muna, walang gigil, ha? Palamig lang muna, relax. Kaya nga.
First time we have the lead.
Kaya mo lang sila lanag. Kaya mo lang.
Kaya nga, relax mo muna, hayaan mo muna. Pawala mo lang gigil, pawala mo lang gigil.
Unsportsmanlike foul on number 39, Kyle Liliana. That is first, one on Alba Basketball. Also, unsportsmanlike foul on number 13, Duck. That is first, one on Mount Phenomenal. Both of the players has to sit on the bench for 3 playing minutes. And we are back in the body. Now Miko on the drive. Sa kanan. Here's the three. That's good. Mobs phenomenal again. Using the arsenal to get the lead. Back up by 9. Sa kanan. Now the three. That's good. Mendoza. Another three for Mendoza. The second in a row for him. Will that be the start of the spark? Here is Louis. For the foul, number 22, James Mendoza with his first. Second team foul in Alpha Basketball. For the sheet. Now Miko sa kaliwang pasa. Now short there for Jake. So again, a chance to come closer. Jerry on the fake. His layup. That's good. And no, traveling will be called against Jerick Singo. So shot won't count there. Good defense. Good defense now for Pino Basketball. Here's Chase. Bigay kay Louis. Now, turn around. Oh, what a shot! Hawk shot for Miko Pipito. And he entered double digits yes 11. Now, Jetro. This is happening that time. Here is Alex. Bagares going right sa kanan Pipito. Pipito, the one hand. Oh, pasa pa pala kay Jason! And the Reapers. Chase with 8 points. And look at the respect here. Jeto was being defended by Pipito. Now Bautista with the air ball. Time out of the basketball.
Tapalikod, pensa.
Diba? Hey, listen, yung lima. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo, mas nakakagalaw kayo na maayos. Hindi nagkalabo-labo.
Parang dali maglaro.
Oh, diba? Ang dali ng basketball. Yun yung sinasabi ko.
Diba? Tapos pwede mong gamitin naman yung break.
Oy, Ang kulang lang doon.
Abang rin sa kick out po.
Good job tayo sa opensa. Pero yung depensa pa rin lagi na pinapabayaan.
Yun yung kulang. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Pag-alan natin sa opensa, bilisan natin sa depensa.
Mamaya na tayo magkapiran pag pinakashoot.
Okay. Hey, wala man na mag-enjoy ha. Malayo pa yan.
Pwede po yung Rolex sa ating free public Wi-Fi. Wala pong limit yan. Gio 1. Right now, Bangales with a quick step to Pipito. This time, Chase, makin na lang muna. And that's gonna be a backboard violation. No long touch it from Alba Basketball. So, the timeout, able to complete a turnover. Able to get a stop, actually from Alba Basketball. Si Sino kasama si Pernovelo, 5, Bautista, and Mendoza. Lalapit sa kaliwa, 5, lines it up. No good on the 3. But dito naman, Thomas Sabi ng 5, Chase. I believe that that's moving. And now, pull up 3 won't go. And Alex Jerry on the drive. Lays it up, no. Pero kasama pati braso. Foul number 1, Alex Pagavales. That is second foul, second new foul of Mobs Pino. So it goes Jerry Cinco. Again, no. Even though this is an exhibition match, Alex Bagares don't want to give an easy layup. You have to earn it from the line. Jerry Cinco makes the first. Cinco goes 2 for 2. Cinco now with 9. The lead is 8. Now again, Pino with the basketball. Bagares or Alex. 12 to the shot clock. Alex begins the chase. Not expecting that by LFA Chase. The jumper. No. Another throw. Now Cecilio bigay sa kanan. Alio Paruelo, the fake. He takes, he waits. What a move. Day Paruelo with some patience down low. Day Paruelo blocking on one end and making the shot on the other. Paruelo doing it on both ends of the floor. Here's Aldrin. Bigay sa kanan. Here's Jetro. Sabang connection you're seeing there. Now, Cinco na wala ang mga natatapin. Bigay sa ilalim. Time to shoot. Here's the 3. No for Bautista. And again, pagkakataon naman dito for Mobs Pino. Bagares may tangan. Going left. Pull up 3. Oh, banks it home. Alex Bagares, that was some top shot. And that's his first field goal. First three of the night for Alex Bagares. Right now Mendoza. Crossing it over to Pete. Defending him. And a foul. That's going to be the second foul of Nico Pepito. And the 13th foul for Mobs Pino. And backing it up against none other than Lance Miranda, who's in us from the crowd. Miranda built a fans club here. Mendoza sa kaliwa, lines it up. No, he's going to the 3. And Alba, Miranda, nakawala. Pero kasama pati braso. Foul number 23, Jake, that is second. 4 on Mobs Pino. 2 free throws for Lance Miranda. Two for 2 for Lance Miranda. 67-60. Here's Jack. Uses the pick-up chase. Jack, directing traffic to chase. Jumper, he likes that. Overshoots the shot he's around. Now Miranda. Attack ay Miranda nakawala. That's Miranda. Every time he has been inserted on the ball game, something great happens for Coach John Cordero. Close 8 points that time for Miranda, including the 2 free throws earlier. Henderson. Wow. Nawawala ang bola. Singo gets the basketball. Singo leading the break. Crossing it over. Oh, one tap from behind. Coming from Miko. Number 76. Dave Aruedo in his first 3 on Alpha basketball. 67-62. Wala nang 6 na minuto na itira sa ating third quarter. Getting ready to check back into the ball game is Jugo. Here's Miko. He is currently looking for Louie. Louie now, nakawala and overcooks the layup. Sorry, miss by Louie. And missing the jumper as well. Now Miranda nakawala. Nonetheless, that's 2 points. Now Miko, lot of space being given and a spin. Let's it up and a foul. Basket is good for Miko Pipico. Foul number 76, Dave Aruedo. That is second foul. 14th foul on Alpha basketball. Next edition. Uncle Joey back in the ball game, replacing Jake. Bonus free throw for Miko Pipico. And Miko Pipico complete set. Miko Pipico sa tamak-mak na ginagawa dito. He has 14 points already. 70-64, more importantly, giving his team some breather. It's 60 Here is Jumbo. Back pedals, now nakawala. Lays it up, no, put back. Ayaw, but Miranda's there. Again, that's Miranda. 8 points for Alpha basketball. Here the third is the one keeping his team close. Alright, shot. And a foul. Foul number 16, Felix Singo. Penalty. It is his second foul. 2 free throws for number 28, Jack. Out of time. And Alpha basketball already in the penalty situation. So let's see how much Phenomenal will take advantage of that. Jack making the first. Jack now with 6 points. And then a jab from Davao. Missing the second. Second serving here. Louie keeping the ball alive. Here's up there, Joey. Crossing it over. Another one. And a foul again. And 2 free throws again. Foul number, foul number 29. Ipinsulay yung Marta Tarata. Who's 29 rep? Who's 29 daw? Yung foul dalawa eh. Uncle Joey, no problem in the first. 29 na yung Marta Tarata. That's his third foul. Missing second again for Marge Pino. Bagadelos is the rebound. Only 6. And we got the back on the floor. Bigay kay Juno. Inikot sa kaliwa. Miranda on the hesitation. A whip, shot is good. Oh my! Last Miranda, what a third quarter! 16 points in total. Lance Miranda with 16 overall. 4 minutes remaining. Here's Lee. Push up three. No go. This is everything there. Here's Luno. Ayun. Miranda. Ibababa muna. Bigay sa kaliwa. Napakot na labas. Time out. Rose Filipino.
Yung pagbalik, wala ng bola. Hindi pala hawak. Louie, kailangan mo ibalik yung kumpiyansa mo dyan. Pinakapa ko pa, Oche. Apat na lang yan. Layo kayo, layo.
30 seconds on the shot clock. Salamat pa sa nabigay ng Hershey's dito. Hershey's chocolates. Here's Dumong on the boat. 5 to shoot. Baruelo all alone. Don't wanna pull the trigger now. Baruelo. Shot clock violation. Baruelo could have taken that corner 3, but not aware of the shot clock. 7 minutes to 3 minutes and 28 remaining here in the third. 4-point lead for Mobs Pino. Here's Jack going left. Miranda to play. Oh, what a cross! Enters. Stop arrested. What a move! Ladies and gentlemen, Jack. The quick crossover and finding the opening. Chase now with 10. 3 minutes remaining. Miranda or Atarata rather. He misses the layup. Another serving. Here's Laliana Borbe. No! Apiga na bola. It will stay on the side of the floor. 14 seconds to shoot. Miranda may tangan. To Laliana now. Dumong. It's ready. Dumong Baludong. 3! Baludong is second 3 of the evening. And a hacking foul. Again, don't make those here. Foul number 29, Lance Miranda is third foul. And again, since the 4-minute and 39 mark of this third, Alpha Basketball in the penalty situation, House phenomenal, taking advantage. Nagabi, napapasalamat ko ako sa nagbigay po ng mga chocolates dito sa amin.
Tatlo pati kita.
Jack splits his charities. 2 minutes and 3 minutes remaining, 75-71. The lead is big as 10, now down to just 4. Ali you play, extra pass, Baruelo to Laliana, time machine. Laliana, sa ilalim ang pass, extra pass sa labas. Miranda, by Chase, I believe, or rather that was back. Now Louie, kapit palabas, it will stay on the side. But I believe our officials will be having some words. How about the run of crew chief Mark Villa to get into the scenario? Tumama daw kay Louie ang bola. So Alpha Basketball can come closer. 7 minutes. Baludong. Layup block from behind. 7 minutes on the shot clock. Baruelo. Hand off the 3. Here's Chase. His three. That's good! How about a big man lighting it up? Chase from downtown. 90 seconds remaining. Laliana for three. No! Bangala on the fire. Also misses. Batting for the rebound. Chase secures it. Nakakababa mo sa kaliwa. Pino on the attack. Bigyan ni Chase. Inigot muna sa gitna. It's gonna be Jack now. Jack on the drive. A foul will be called. And again, 2 free throws coming up here. Foul on number 12, Jung Malodongo's first. 2 free throws on number 28, Jake. Or rather, Jack. Hindi kakalikuan tayo, ha?
Jake pala yun.
1 minute remaining. Right now, Miranda, nawala ang bola. Throwing back. He will be called for a personal liability. If it's offensive foul na po, so walang free throws. Offensive foul na number 9 man, second foul. Wala na po, offensive daw po, so wala pong free throws. 48 seconds remaining. Here's Marcelo. 3 guard setup here for Coach John. Bowing out from the corner. Played by over downtown. The lead down to 2. And Alpha Basketball. Pwede pang bumalik ang bola sa kanila dito. Here's the Jack. Good defense on Jumo. To Chase. 3-pointer. No. And Alpha gets the basketball. Now, wala nga lang. Agad Jumo. Agad na wala. Jumo gets the basketball. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Bacololo. Side step.
Adel. Adel. Lapit! Ilang beses ko sabihin sa inyo, relax. Ilang beses ko sabihin sa inyo na pag sumabay kayo sa bilis nila, lalamang sila, matatalo kayo. Bakit mas pinili niyong bilisan? Nakikinig ba kayo? Lamang tayo, sabi ko papagalin yung laro, mas nakakagalaw tayo na maayos.
Malalaki kasi kayo eh. Gamitin nyo yun, mismatch sa inyo eh. Pag bilisan nyo, kayo mismatch. Kasi mabilis sila eh.
Amigo. Louie, Alex. Laymar. Hey, Louie! Chase, pasok. Mamaya ka na.
Basketball action.
Mamaya nagkakita ako. Burger yung akin.
Alpha ba yung ano yun, negro?
exhibition match. Marcelo misses the 3, but Obata crashing the offensive glass. Now the Alpha Basketball, largest lead, 3 points so far in tonight. They're playing up naman defense. Here's Nico, nakawala block for Nico. Good defense with Jerry. Here is Miranda. Ang atake race. Hans Miranda. With the layup. Here's Alex. Being hounded by Marcelo. Going right. Behind the back, Nico. Thought about it. This time sa kaliwa pasa. And ball goes out of bounds. Yung nakaubad daw po na bata po, makikisuyo na lang. Yung nakaubad daw po na bata, nakaputi. Suot mo daw po yung t-shirt mo, sir. Right now, Miranda. Pull up. Go, go. Hata comes flying in out of nowhere for the follow-up. Magares, put up play. No. Here's Marcelo. Dalawa na kabanda. Here is Jack trying to break the play. Let's go! Louis, 60-pointer of the night. Cutting the lead to 4. Here's Rami sa kanila. Another one. With a 7-point lead. Here's Louis. Another one. No way. Miranda secures the glass. Sinta on the front court. Atake. Step back play. No. And you're able to see it.
Jack. Treska. 1. Treska, sabo si Glaymar. Glaymar, sabo na. Treska, ha? Eh, kumpiyansa tayo, ha? Malayo pa yan. Hindi nyo kailangan ma-pressure. Yung mga, kalimutan nyo yung mga... Balik tayo sa 1-3-1. Balik tayo sa 1-3-1. Pwede mag-1-2-2 tayo kasi may ilalim sila 8. 1-2-2.
Wala pang 3 minutong nakalipas mga kaibigan. Already with 13 points for Alpha Basketball. And now about Ramil Bautista. Only 2 points since that 3 3-pointers. Leaving his team now in 13. Right now, Jack Bidiscate. On the move, it's Asana, Chase jumper. It's good. Chase making himself available and Jack fighting in on the right corner for the short staff. Here's Lance. Sige sa kanan, Marcelo. Sa kaliwa, Miranda, extra pass, 5. Mason. Alpha Basketball, very rhythmic and strongest that time. Here's Jack, behind the back, it's good and a foul. Basket is good for number 28, Jack. Foul number 16, Jerry Cinco, is third for 1 on Alpha Basketball. Bonus free throw on number 28, Jack. Jack Inco from Davao. Already with 12 points. Miranda from number 3. 9.7. Sa gitna, 5. Extra pass. Catarata Rivers. Adrian remaining. Jack. Bigay sa kaliwa. Extra pass. Now Louie being handled by Marcelo. Back to Jack Amola. 10 to shoot. Pipito. Extra pass to Mac. Mac loses it. He gets it back. He's there. No. To the shoot. Jumper. No. And that will be a shot clock violation. 7-point lead na for Alpha Basketball. Matulas na po bola. Ngayon ba tayong basahan dyan?
Wala bang magdodonate dyan?
Alpha Basketball, what a fourth quarter so far for them. Again, entering this fourth and final quarter, we are tied at 79. So 15 to 8 run already for Alpha Basketball. Pagkakataong pagdagdagan ng alang-alangan on this attack. Marcelo kasama si Miranda Singlo. Kataranda in Bautista. Another trigger, Bautista, no goal Alpha. And ball goes the other way. On Pino naman, Ian Chase, Jack, Mac, Louie, and Miko. Pino with the ball. Nakakatong bawas ang kalamangan. Pico to the ball. Distant to Chase. To Louie. His three. No goal. Ball spins up. Ball goes to Alpha Basketball. I believe Miko will to touch the ball last. So Alpha Basketball can again increase their lead on this possession. 7 minutes remaining. 5 may tangan. Nakabantay siya. 5 ang gamon. Sa kaliwa, Bautista Corte. No! Marcelo left all alone underneath the basket. The lead back up by 9 for Alpha Basketball. Jack, bigay sa kanan. Mac with the basketball. Onto the spin. Kick ball. Shot clock reset to 14 seconds. Sa finishing for Alpha Basketball. Dave Aurelio for Laker Catarata. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Sa finishing, Jake Rodriguez for Ramil Bautista. Pass for Nico Dino. Clyde for Louie. Oh no, it's gonna be Clyde for number 9 Mac. 96-87, the lead is 9. Right now, may tangan, it's gonna be Jack, bigay kay Chase. Now tap, on a back shot here, tap against Maruelo. Tap by Maruelo, upstairs. Maruelo. Here's the traveling violation. Again now. What a nice ball coming from Ronzi. Gio Benitez. You can land on the same foot. That will be a traveling violation. Bawal daw kay Ronzi Gio Benitez. 96-87. Right now, Jack going right. Nakita ng pasa by Aurelio clears it. Good defense in front of Marcelo. Now, Marcelo up and under.
Jack.
Gitna, coach. Sa gitna, coach ba? Open kayo.
Miko, balik. Yan.
Dalawa na kami ni Miko. Para
Glaymar, sub. Dalawa kayo. Okay, sub mo na ulit ha. Uncle Joey. Okay, Miko, screen. Hand up kay Uncle Joey. Okay. Uncle Joey, dali mo dito. Okay.
Trust si Uncle?
Oo. Trust si
Sino
Uncle.
itong 4 natin, coach?
Mabagal lang ito pare ha. Hindi mo bibilisan na. Again! 2-man game. Hand up kay Uncle. Uncle labas. Lubog. Okay. Angat. Okay. Dito pala. Sorry. Paglabas. Miko move. Okay. Diyan lang. Delay mo lang pare. Elevator. Okay. Pag wala sa elevator, 2-man game. Ay man to man. Post move.
Of the night for Alpha Basketball. Actually, largest also for most phenomenal was 10 earlier in the first quarter. Marcelo goes 2 for 2. Jacob Marcelo right now with 14 points across the state. 98-87. 11-point lead for Alpha Basketball. Uncle Joey back on the floor. Directing traffic. Bigay kay Louie. Louie didiscarte. Miranda defending him. At the shot. Louie will fire. Then bring it down. And Baruelo with an easy board. Alpha Basketball continuing this fourth quarter so far. Miranda with his first explosive stop and making it look easy. That's Miranda. Another layup for him. 187 the lead. Balloons to 13. Miko for 3. No. Uncle Joey keep it alive. Now the 3. Louie again. Louie from downtown is 17-meter. One of his points coming from the Rainbow Country. For 21 points. Now Miranda. Pull up chain. No goal. 120, wala lang 5 minuto. Now, Louie sa may kanan, bigay kay Jack. Iningot niya Miko. Miko, didiscarded, time to shoot. Louie, another 3. Goal! And 5 seconds na rebound. Ibabato sa kabilang dulo. Oh, Marcelo tumama sa may paa niya.
Nick, kaya mo naman atakihin eh. Ha? Nauubos na ng oras eh.
Sige, sa akin.
Pwede.
Okay. Ayan. So, mula na, kahit laro ko kayo. Shoot!
Ayan, dito. Bilis. Oh. Jack, side. 4-5, horn tayo. Okay, angat. Horn tayo. Jack, drive. Okay, mag-drive. Ito, tawid sa dulo. Mabilis na susunod to. Daan sa screen.
Jack kasama si Uncle Joey, Chase, Miko, and Louie. Right now, chance to come closer. Jack being defended by Mendoza. Going left this time, uses the pick of Miko. Right now, Jack on the ball. Palabas. Will take it. Oh, Lance Miranda, what a bowling. 22 big points for Lance Miranda. The lead is 12. 4 minutes to go. The ball goes out of bounds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Now Jack on the inbound, delivery opening. Oh, Foul ni Giacinto is first. 2 for Phenomenal. Alex Magares for Giacinto. Bonus beat ball for Lance Miranda. Lance Miranda with the flex. Oh, Lance Miranda offensive rebound. So, pagkakataon nagdagang ball sa kalamangan dito for Alpha. Cinco the jumper. Let's go! Jarek Cinco with a short stop. He is 11. And now the lead balloons to 16 points. 106 to 90. Here's Uncle Joey. He is captain of the team. The ball is lost. You want to keep it alive. Bigay kay Miko. Spinning. Ball goes out of bounds. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Okay, no, Mouse Phenomenal, no timeout for the remainder of the game. As another 3 coming from Louis. My goodness, 8-3-pointer for Louis. Lead catch for 13. 106 to 93. Now Marcelo, 1-1 against Andre. Layup goal for Marcelo, and he gives up a foul. Foul number 7, Jacob Marcelo. It is second foul, also second team foul for Alpha Basketball. Wala ng tatlong minuto mga kaibigan. Here is Uncle Joey. On the move. Stepping on the break. Bigay sa labas. Chase to Miko. Miko looking for an opening. Bigay kay Louie. Up the fake. Mugay on the baseline. Easy up. His first is good. First 2-point field goal for Louie. The lead is 11. Alpha. Now Miranda. We saw a little bit of an opening and I thought he will attack. But now he'll settle. Mendoza. His three. Go. Backs out. Good on Bagares. Sa kaliwa. Oh, maybe not expecting the pass. And again, no, Cinco and Bagares, their teammates for Dasmariñas, Uncle Drew, on the ongoing Cavite Ballers League. That time, turned over to Pino. Last 2 minutes on the break. 27 leading right here. Sa ating Alpha Dogs exhibition match. Against Miranda. Back to Angel. Extra pass to Miko, but he misses. Sa ilalim, Angel Joey can convert. And Miko finally making it sure. The lead down to 9. More than a minute left. Here's Miko. Marcelo will be fouled. And Bagares called for a personal. It's going to be his third foul. And 13 foul as well for Mouse Phenomenal. Corridors for Jacob Marcelo. (106 to 97). Siyang kalamangan dito ng Alpha Basketball. Split is Charities. 1 minute and 4 to go. Pino, nag-ahabol pa rin ang jumper K. The lead down to 7. Albert Joey from downtown. His second three of the night. And I believe they're going to be playing fouls here.
Extra motion, no?
But players continue to show their and their respective pitches. Both teams to observe proper pitch here.
Hey!
Isang free throw natin.
Louis! Free throw!
Louis missing that one free throw. Wala pa pong penalty ang Mospino. So, right now, trying to shoot Cinco. He discounted dito and he loses the basketball. 107 to 100. 47 seconds to go. Pino has to hurry here. Bagaris may tangan. Nagmamadala naman madali. Bagaris sa kanan. Pipito Pepe. Oh! The lead down to 4. Pipito from downtown. And Nagaluela.
May timeout pa kami. Wala tayong timeout. Pag sumablay, takbo. Okay? Takbo. Pag sumablay, takbo. Oh, Louis. Sa corner ka kaagad. Okay? Louis, utak ka. Crucial to. Ibaba mo dito yung bola. Uncle Joey, ibaba mo dito yung bola. Ay, sino ba to? Alex! Alex, makinig mabuti ha! Baba mo dito yung bola! Louis! Uncle Joey magpapalit! Uncle Joey corner! Louis! Gitna! Sarado!
Hey, 4-5, nakakalimutan ito. Hindi yan gagana kung hindi nyo i-close.
Okay? Elevator tayo ha?
Out ka agad.
Jang rebound!
Muna ako.
Hey! Lisa! Huwag nyo na parisibin! Higpitan nyo na yung bensa! Huwag nyo muna parisibin! Tsaka kayo mag-foul! Ay, wala! Hey, Alex! No foul!
Pressure defense being applied by Pino.
Guys, may magpapapicture sa akin. Chang! Pare!
Oh,
Eto, dito lang to ha.
ano yan?
Kung ano yung makikita natin dito, dito lang, walang lalabas. Ano lugar to? Ha?
Wag, Dani.
Isa lang po.
Doon kayo.
Mata!
Yun guys, maraming salamat kay Coach Sir
John.
Yan.
Basketball.
Siya yung nag-invite sa atin dito and meron siyang ano,
Ano?
Tayan.
tailoring.
Yan. Sila paggawa. Alpha Sports Apparel.
Yun, Alpha Sports
Visit lang yung
Apparel.
page. Support natin yan. Alpha Sports Apparel.
Asa?
Malay mo yung next jersey ng Pino. Doon na.
Dito lang yan makikita sa
Sabang, Dasma.
Sa bahay,
Sa Damas.
Malay mo, sponsoran tayo. ng jersey.
Yeah.
Kasi siyempre, di ba?
Pwede rin naman yun.
Yeah!
Napapag-usapan naman yun.
Yun yung pala eh.
So,
Black and white yan.
possible magkakaroon tayo ng bagong jersey niyan.
Kaya maraming
Corner
salamat.
ba to? Corner ba to?
Hindi, yun lang.
Thank you. Solid yung game.
Thank you so much, Sobrang saya, sir.
Solid.
Daming tao.
Ang saya ng tao, hindi ko na-expect na ganun.
Kahapon lang natin pinasumpig.
Sipin mo tune up lang eh.
Kailan lang pinag-usapan kahapon.
Isang araw lang.
Tunas lang yun, no? One day process.
Oh, one day process.
Biglang
Parang
ganun
busy
karami.
daw kayo eh. Sabi ko, anong date meron kayo? Webis lang. Sabi ko, sige, gawin ko na yan. Yun, okay naman.
Kung isipin mo, hindi mapupuno ng gano'ng karaming taon.
Masaya.
Nahirapan na talagang kontrolin. Ang dami kasi.
Ayun, no? Daming tao, guys. Nagulat din kami. Well, dahil naman lahat yan, dahil kay Lord. And masaya tayo. Okay?
Yes, sir! Yan,
What's up? Dala tayo, masaya tayo.
kaya maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon.
Yes, sir.
God bless po.
Salamat po sa libreng internet lang.
Salamat po sa libreng internet.
Hi,
Ay, kakabitan niyo kami ng internet.
Libreng internet.
May libre na kami internet. Talaga naman.
Alam mo na. Palit tayo internet sa bahay.
Magpapalit
Thank
kami
you so much
internet.
po. Thank you so much.
Marami kami natutunan sa mga player nyo. And hopefully, magawa namin yung pagkukulang sa susunod. Makalaban. Guys, maraming salamat sa
Golden Field 1 sa Bang Dasmariñas